Check up for chiller. Where is the wire? We will check this one. Train. Also this one by close, huh? But put tape this one, not tape, huh? Our team, we are checking now motorizing valve. Already off, but this position BMS, this one, the valve still open, still be closed. We will check what happening. Because the alarming water overdue, and sometimes no water flow. That's it, no water flow, water overdue, low water, evaporator. That is alarm. We will check this one. You can see already 24 hub, but here no 24. So I need to double check. Maybe it's a problem, the motor. See, we can see now this motorizing valve. So already BMS control is closed, but this one position is it's always open. The arrow should be here. So now you can remove now. Okay, you can move. Okay, I put the marker. Okay, so should be when you open like this, it should be the water sounds. Okay, slowly go. Aywa, more open. The water is coming. Oh, more. Okay, sounds coming. More. Okay, more. Open, pull open. Bus. Okay, back again. More again. Hop, stop. We will see now the chiller running or not. Now the water now is okay. We will see the chiller running or not. We will start, I think so. Start manual. Open again. Open. Stop it. How to? Oh, I open. Stop it. Shit. Wait. Okay, now the chiller is starting now. Let's see. You can see now it's running now. computer, this already closed, but this one, the position is still open. But in the last, this valve is closed. So this is defective. Controlling now the water flow control is by balancing valve. Just a little bit throttle, check the pressure of the gauge.